Nagtipon sa Papua New Guinea ang Pacific leaders, climate experts at ilang grupo upang gumawa ng mga pangmatagalang solusyon para proteksyonan ang karagatan. Si Net 25 correspondent Eco Hortaleza Quinola para sa balita.
Ocean protection, climate resilience, at sustainable marine management. Ito ang mga layunin ng isinagawang Melanesian Ocean Summit 2026 dito sa Papua New Guinea.
Layunin ng summit na tinawag ni Prime Minister James Marape na historic gathering na tipunin ang mga pinuno at delegasyon ng iba't ibang bansa alang-alang sa karagatan. Sa talumpati ni Marape, binigyang diin niya na ang host country ngayong taon na Papua New Guinea ay may kakaibang geographic at environmental landmass. Isang bansang mayaman sa biodiversity.
Economy is sustainable and to sustain not just us, but more importantly, the future generation that comes behind us. This conversation is contemporary, but not just contemporary, futuristic. To destroy ocean, you destroy planet Earth.
Nagkaroon din ng ceremonial signing of landmark Melanesian Ocean Corridor of Research Declaration sina Prime Minister James Marape, Fiji Prime Minister Sitiveni Rabuka at Vanuatu Prime Minister Jotham Napat. Pinasalamatan ni Marape ang mga dumalo at hinikayat na magkaisa sa pagtuklas ng kaalaman ukol sa ocean and earth protection, pagpapababa ng carbon emission, marine conservation, at pagpapalaganap ng international environmental frameworks.
The world must hear that the Pacific, the custodians of the biggest ocean, is ready to preserve and manage our oceans in a sustainable manner. We're working to make sure that our conservation obligations is not just talk, but a reality as we conclude this Melanesian Ocean Conference.
Eco Hortaleza Quinola, Net 25 para sa mata ng Agila International. Trusted, connected, on point.